Hi everyone, good morning. So today I am very excited because we are celebrating Children's Day today in Australia, and I have two kids in this house and they're amazing kids. So what happened is actually I teach them mathematics, and at the same time I want to also share this knowledge to other parents so they hopefully can be equipped, how to teach their kids if they want to do it, yeah, especially in mathematics. Now, what I want to share with you, well, actually, now when you look at the learning technology, it's quite amazing now when you see the internet. You can find so many websites that can provide simulations, yeah, that we couldn't find something like this in the past or when we were younger, but now it's everywhere. So basically I want to share with you about some of these amazing simulations, and hopefully this can help us as parents to teach our kids about in this case mathematics, and especially some basic stuff, yeah. So without further ado, I will now share my screen. If you can go to the same website like what I have here, yeah. So give me one moment. um, right now, the first website that I want to show you is called Geogebra. So you can type this website here, Geogebra, yeah, and then you can find Geogebra Classic, and then this one, www.geogebra.org. So basically, this one, yeah, free math apps. Now, if you look at this amazing website, actually, it's like the social media in mathematics. So many people contribute in this website. They create many simulations from the elementary level until university. So I want to share with you some basic stuff here, especially for our kids. Yes. Now, if you click this one, the activity. Now, this is uh, amazing activity. Yeah, you can find from kindergarten until year 2, and then from year 3 until year 5, and in fact they give you some tutorial videos in here. Now I think I will show you some of those, yeah. So let's look at for example, if I go to from kindergarten until year 2, you can click this one, yeah. Or okay, let's have a look this one, because I think I'm gonna go with fraction, yeah. So from year 3 until year 5, here we go. Okay, now look at this. There are so many simulations that we can do here, and what I will do, I'll try to pick some of those, yeah, that I think are very nice, yeah. So you can also do the same thing when you are teaching your kids, right? Now let me have a look. The one that I want to go, I want to do so let's see this one, adding fractions, yeah. Okay, so basically this is how the simulation looks like, yeah, and it's quite easy actually to play around with this one. So in this case we have two fractions, yeah. The first one is 3 on 10, like this one, and then the second one is 3 on 5, right? And we want to add them. Now you can change the number actually. If you want to have, instead of 3 on 5, you want to have 4 on instead of 3 on 10, you want to have 4 on 10, you can just change this number, right? Now you see, when you have a fraction, basically what it shows here, this shows the visual. So for example, when the denominator here equal to 10, yeah, these bars, it will divide, the square into 10 equal sections. Yeah, so if you go a bit smaller, for example 5, you can imagine now this square is divided by 5 equal sections. Yeah, so something like that. So this is 3, yeah, 4. All right, now if I want to have, for example, this fraction 2 on 8, yeah, now we have 2 on 8, so basically this is the value of the numerator, it's 2, and then this is the value of the denominator, it's 8. Now we want to add this fraction 2 on 8 plus the second one, which is 3 on 5. So you see now it divides the square into 5 equal sections. Yeah, you can imagine we have something like this here. Okay, so you know now when you add them, I guess most of us know the idea. Well, basically when you want to add the fraction, we want to have the common denominator. So okay, what it does here, it tries to give you the equivalent value. So for example, you see before 2 on 8, now when you add with 3 on 5, the common denominator that you want to have here is 40. So let me do the second one also. This is also now 3 on 5, it becomes 24 on 40. Yeah. So the nice thing about this simulation is that it gives you an idea actually how this addition is done. So basically when you click this sum, yeah, you see now it's like when you now put them together in one square, yeah, you have 40 smaller sections. So it's like now when you try to make this grid, yeah. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have now also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you now put them together, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 times 8, that will make 40, right? So now when you look at this with the first fraction 2 on 8, and if you look at the red rectangles here, yeah, we have now 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 on 8 equal to 10 on 40. And also with the 3 on 5, yeah, when you make the denominator to be 40, it becomes 24. So you can see here, when you count how many rectangles you have here, there are 24. So now you see when you want to add them, and then we put them in a square like this one, basically you can just count how many squares. So in this case, when you have this 24 and then you have another 10, that will make 34. So that's how we got this number 34 on 40. So again, this gives you a visualization. The total of this addition will just be the total of these rectangles, right? And well, later if you want, you can you know, simplify this. Basically you can just divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So for example, if you divide them by 2, so you'll get 17 on 20, right? So I think this one is very nice if you want to give your children how to do the addition or I think, yeah, well, with the subtraction we need to find the other simulation, but this one is for addition, I think, yeah. So you can play around with the fraction here. For example, you can change the number of the numerator or the number of the denominator, yeah, for the first fraction and also for the second one, yes. And then you can see when you add them, you can see what will happen, and then you can give them sort of the understanding behind it. That's why we need to have the common denominator, right? So I think this is the first video that I want to share with you about the simulations, yeah? And in the future, I'll try to find more simulations, you know, which can help us to explain some other stuff in mathematics. And I guess, you know, this website Geogebra is just amazing website that can give us so many simulations. So yeah, I think that's for today. And again, we are very excited here in Australia because we are celebrating Children's Day now. Yeah, so I hope you guys very excited too, right? So I'll see you next time. Thank you.